Good afternoon YouTube, it's Charlie again, and today, as you see, we've got an unboxing. I know who this is from, and I must say the time it took for them to take the order and get it here in Toronto is really very good. Sometimes it takes 10 days or a couple of weeks, but we'll get it open and have a look. Well, as you see, it's from Ellis Clark Trains. There's two boxes here. It's packed in bubble wrap around the box, but of course you get all the polystyrene peanuts. Now, could have saved a little bit of space, sort of that size, but there must be a standard for shipping. It just seems a waste. However, this is very exciting, so let's have a look. Nicely packaged. I had a look around just the other week and I spotted this set and I thought, if I'm going to buy something, I've got to get something like this because it will fit in perfectly. And look at that, Strathclyde Transport, the Lima Class 156 DMU. And it's been tested, it's a good runner, near mint, it's DC, and he said noisy runner, couple of small marks. I don't care about the small marks, it's not that important because there was always marks on locos. But that's a great weight in it, excuse me, and a nice interior. And there's the second car. Really nice. Everything in its place. Doesn't look as if there's anything missing. Yeah, so we'll take it downstairs and see how it runs now. This is from a different loco, but that's okay. Well, first of all, thanks very much for getting this to me quickly and in great condition. Great service. I love you guys, and we'll go and have a look at it downstairs. Well, there you go. Doesn't that look just perfect? Right between the other two-car DMU from SPT. I've ridden on both of these. And it looks just perfect in there at Partickhill station. We'll give it a little run. a little bit noisy running over the ballast. Maybe I've got just a little bit too much in there, but that's okay. It gives it a little bit of authenticity. So there you go. Strathclyde Transport, Class 156. Strathclyde Transport 156, a 2-car DMU set from Lima Railways. It looks really outstanding, and you know, it also looks as if it's in perfect condition, and it's not that noisy. I'll just keep an eye on it to make sure there's nothing that I need to look at, but yeah, that certainly looks terrific. And thanks very much, guys, for the great service and the delivery and quality product. And we'll see you next time here at Partickhill Station. And if you enjoyed this little review, please remember to give me the big thumbs up, and we'll see you back at the station. Bye for now.